continue with the role of sales promotion?
Yes, ma'am.
Please put yourselves on mute, children. Right. Now we go to another important part of the lesson. After role of sales promotion, the ones who had missed out, I had discussed on the importance of sales promotion, that how it provides information to the customer, it stimulates a demand for the product, it creates product identity, that means it differentiates it from other products, it helps to meet a lot of competition, it helps to satisfy the customers, and of course it permits control, that means it keeps a check on how much the sales should be there or what are the results which are achieved. Okay, it tries to create a balance in the organization. And now I'm going to go to the next part of the slide, that is sales promotion programs for consumer and dealers. Okay, so I'm going to start from the slideshow so it becomes clear. In sales promotion programs, these are directed towards the consumers. An attempt can be made to reach the home or the office of the consumer. Here, promotion actually directly targets the consumer. That is why it is known as consumer protection. Okay, let's quickly do the different types of consumer sales promotion techniques. Okay, and then I will go to the different techniques of sales promotion. In sales promotion programs, please understand, they are directed towards the consumers. Why are your videos off, children? Are you listening to what I'm doing? Zara, Abni?
Yes, ma'am.
Please
Yes,
put your
ma'am.
videos on. Okay. In sales promotion programs, they are directed towards the consumers. The aim is now to attract the new customer here. Please understand that. Here, my main aim is to attract the customer. How am I going to attract the customer? Through giving them premiums, through giving them coupons, through giving them a lot of demonstration offers. Sometimes free trials are given. Free samples are given with many products. Loyalty points are achieved. Nowadays, you have the offers, where they quickly earn loyalty points very easily. So, a lot of consumer sales promotion programs are done to target the consumer. Okay. After that, you have the dealer sales promotion programs. Okay, dealers also play a very, very important role in increasing the sale of the products today. So lots of dealer shows, dealer displays, dealer contests, dealer premiums, and lots of other things are done so that remember that this is an indirect way of increasing the sales. Okay, it is also conducted by the manufacturers at a wholesale or a retail level. Okay, such contests may take the form of window display, internal store display, sale contests, etc. The winners can be rewarded either in cash or in some interesting forms. That is how a dealer contest actually takes place. You have special displays, you have lots of shows. Nowadays, if you go to any mall, you will see there are different kinds of Airtel booths and different booths and all are given, right? So remember that these are seasonal in character, and these could be arranged in an elaborate manner and for all products of the company, right? So these are the special displays and shows that take place. Okay. After that, just a second, children. Okay. Then you have the dealer premiums. What are premiums? The dealer is offered a gift every time he purchases a given number of units. Many times he is purchasing many number of units of a particular company. And when he does that, each time he is being given free gifts. The scheme is also very financial in nature, as the dealer is given cash, kind, discounts for every kinds of purchases he does. This is called dealer premium. Okay. Then you have lots of advertising materials. Okay. The advertising materials, just a second. Okay. The advertising materials are the materials prepared by the companies, okay, like stossings, banners, which can be distributed to the different dealers for display purposes. Okay. Then you have also store demonstrations. A personal demonstration is done by the dealer, and this is good to introduce basically a new product, as its peculiar advantage can be easily highlighted and the consumer's doubts can be cleared then he does these demonstrations. It can be used to re-stimulate an old product. Sometimes if the products are not very, new in the market, people do not know about it, they want to re-stimulate that new product, bring a new life to it. That can be done through store demonstrations. A good demonstration with a great deal of action will draw heavy crowds in the store and will also attract attention to the product. Okay, so these are the different kinds of dealer programs that are held. Okay, special displays, dealer contests, dealer premiums, store demonstrations, etc. Any difficulty till here? Not understanding anyone? Is it being clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. Now we come to the important different techniques of sales promotion. This is a very, very important part of the chapter. This comes as a long question, children. Okay, that how they may ask you explain any 5 important techniques of sales promotion, or they may give you also as a short question, give any 2 techniques of sales promotion. So this needs to be done very, very well. Okay. Now, which are they? Let's quickly do. Okay, I know lots of products are there with cold drinks and chips and all. Nowadays, we are all having difficulty with things coming in at home. Okay, the first one is free samples. Okay, samples of low price goods. Okay, and repeat sale items are distributed to gain consumer acceptance and popularize the product. Okay, many times what happens? Door to door salesmen come to you. They say, please try our free sample out. Test the product before buying it. Especially this happens, this is a very common thing in new products. Okay, testing the product before buying it, introducing new products. But at the same time, what happens is that sometimes these new products, this kind of free sampling can be done for very cheap goods or for maybe standardized goods. But for very expensive goods, repeatedly no free samples will be given. Isn't it? Like to sell coffee or to sell tea, or to sell detergents, small free samples or free sachets of creams and all are given. But when we go to very expensive articles, free sampling cannot be done. I hope all of you are understanding. No confusions. Okay. Then we go to coupons. Okay. Coupons. Okay. You all know what is the meaning of coupon. Nowadays, no one can order pizzas from Swiggy, I know, and Domino's. But yes, we have lots of coupon. In fact, whenever you
Don't remind us, please.
Don't remind you. Okay. So whenever you have a Domino's pizza, remember this coupon code all the time comes. Okay. So coupons are issued through newspapers, through direct mails, through door-to-door selling, through packages. And generally a certificate is also given with the help of coupons. That is, it generally gives an entitlement to the holder that he is getting 1,000 rupees off, or he can just present that coupon and get a gift, and he can purchase a product from the market. So another very important technique is coupon. Okay. Next one is premium. Okay, there are different kinds of premiums. Now, what is a premium? We need to understand that. Okay, let's understand the different kinds of premiums. I have put many good animations today, so you all enjoy looking at the different premiums. Okay, premium is a type of sales promotion in which merchandise is given or at a reduced price to the purchasers of products or visitors to a store. Premium is what? Something extra, something, something which is being offered to the customer and he really enjoys it. Okay, like with pack premium. Like for example, someone bought a Gillette Fusion. Along with this, he's got a razor free. So this becomes a with pack premium. Okay, with one product, another product coming free. That becomes a with pack premium. Then comes a price of premium. Price of premium means what? When there is a certain off in the price of the good. Say I went and bought a chocolate. It was actually 55 rupees. But now I'm getting it at 54. Certain price is being off. Say 3 rupees off or 5 rupees off. This becomes a price of premium. The third premium I'm talking about is a money refund premium. Money refund means what? That say you have money refund. Money is being refunded on a particular pack of good, wherein the cost of the article is either partially or wholly refunded on the presentation of proof of a purchase. For example, say I give this Pepsodent pack. For every pack, you're getting a 25 rupees refund from the Paytm. So this becomes money refund premium. Last but not the least, the fourth type of premium is the extra quantity premium. Extra quantity premium means what? When you have, say you have 4 Medimix soaps or 5 Medimix soaps and 1 extra is given. So buy 5, get 1 free. Out of giving 5 quantities, 1 extra quantity is being added. That is called an extra quantity premium. So 4 types of premiums are there: with pack, price off, money refund, extra quantity. So I'm going to the next one. Now we go to trading scams. Okay. You can again mute yourselves back. I'm going to go to the next one.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So trading or bonus stamps are those stamps that are issued by retailers, okay, to customers, which are given free of charge, and the customer can redeem them to obtain the products out of the specified list. Today, the customers get these loyalty points, but before these trading stamps, Raymond used to give. They used to have a list of products. From them, say you are constantly buying a product from the Raymond shop, they would give you this kind of a trading stamp which you could use to purchase and use this kind of benefit. Like this Raymond shop, the one which I have used is of Coffee Cafe Day. Hang out with friends, stay ahead and all this. And this kind of a trading stamp, if you produce, you can get some 200 rupees off on the coffee ticket. After trading stamp and bonus offers, we also have price contests. Price contests, under this device, consumers are given rewards, okay, for analytical or creative thinking about the problem in the form of slogan writings, sentence completion, problem solving quiz. What do you understand by analytical or creative writing? Anyone? Any idea? What kind of price contest is this? Has anyone ever participated in anything? Any slogan contest written and applied for? No. Okay. So generally what happens is, if you want, sometimes you will see, I remember when we were in school, that time there was this give me red contest, okay, for the batteries, give me red. And you had to, put very catchy slogans that what can give you red and you can win something, like that. So nowadays, even these price contests are held in the form of slogan writings and sentence completion. You just fill up and you send them. And if they really find your line very catchy, which they can also use in their advertisements, or, you may win a prize. Recently, one was done for the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan by the Prime Minister. And even during Diwali, lots of bonus offers and slogan contests were held. So these are the pictures of those which I have taken. Rewards can be even given in the form of cash prizes, merchandises, or free travels, etc. Then is free offers, fairs and exhibition. Free offer, everyone knows. What is a free offer? Firm offering free gift with the purchase of an expensive product. Say you bought Saffola oats and one bowl is given free inside. Okay, that's a free offer. Okay, or maybe with Bonvita something is given free inside the pack. That's a free offer. Then you have fairs and exhibitions and trade shows. Lots of fashion shows, displays, demonstrations are done to attract the attention and stimulate on-the-spot sales. When we go to a market, see, we don't decide that we are going to buy. But if we attend a fair, what happens generally when you attend a fair? What happens when you go to an exhibition or a fair? Anyone? Come on.
Dozens of things.
You see lots of things around you because of the things you see around you, because of the exhibition that is being held, about the fairs. You get tempted to buy things. This is again nothing but a sales promotional offer. You have lots of trade shows, especially for the demonstration of new cars. Okay, fashion shows where the people do a ramp walk to display their clothes. All this is nothing but to attract on-the-spot selling. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one then. Exchange offer, clearance sale, and merchandising aids. Exchange offers. Customers are offered the facility of exchanging old products with new. Okay, Big Bazaar is very, very popular doing it. The great exchange offer. Remove the old, bring home the new, right? Purana deo, naya lo, all these kind of offers we see. You have clearance sales. Sales are being reduced at reduced prices to attract the customers and clear stocks. How many of you went to West Side in the clearance sale and bought lots and lots of clothes and
Avni,
tops?
Avni.
Avni? Okay, she's gone to the clearance sale. So this is again a very, very common kind of sale which takes place. Every year we have clearance
Yes.
sales where we go and we see big, big offers, 60% off and 5% additional off, and we go and purchase things, right? What about merchandising aids? Does anyone have an idea of what are merchandising aids?
No.
No. Okay. Merchandising aids or services provided for commercial buyers to buy in large quantities, training in stores layouts, inventory control, advertising, and product demonstrations. See, what happens is merchandising aid means the way a store is conducting itself in terms of its scent, its sound, its technology, the window displays, the unique shapes. It tries to create a lot of theme value for you. Okay, if the things are properly arranged, look at this one. If you look at the perfume, the skincare department here, it's so well arranged. Looking at things, you get attracted. You know, it's on your reach that you can go and you can just go and quickly pick up something. It happens or not, right? So free tasting sessions, in-store demonstrations, giveaway samples, well-planned, eye-level product placements. All these are nothing but merchandising aids, which help us or which help the consumers to buy things well. So whenever you go to a store, you will see the racking, the way they rack the things, the way they place the things. It's in your reach. You know, you can easily take something if it's put maybe 10 miles high. Can you go up and get it? No. So the way the whole structuring is done of the merchandising aids is another very important way sales promotion takes place. Okay, so here we are going to be coming to the end of the chapter. All 10 if you look at the page number 31 and 32, all of them I have explained to you. Can you see all of them, please, children? There's
Yes,
a
ma'am.
flow chart also in your textbooks. Sales promotion techniques. Please look at the distribution of free samples, premium or bonus offers, coupon, trading stamp, free offer, fair and exhibition. So if this comes as a 5 marker, will you be able to answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that means they have given you 10 techniques. Doesn't mean you are supposed to write all 10. You can only write 5 techniques and explain yourself.
So, ma'am, this will come for 5 marks.
Generally, it comes as a long question. Sometimes it also comes in the 2 mark Avni. Okay, like a short question, it can also come. Okay. So coming to the summary of the lesson, let's quickly go back and see the things we have done, and then I will mark out the important questions for the boards.
Ma'am?
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, so for the 5 marks answer, if we draw the diagram and then we explain is okay?
See, drawing diagram, there is no problem, but see, you shouldn't waste time. Every pointer needs to be explained well. If you're not able to do that, then the whole purpose of the chapter will get lost. Right? So let's quickly start. We had started with first, meaning of advertising. Just a recap of the chapter. Zara, could you please read it out for me? What was advertising?
According to the American Marketing Association, advertising is any paid form of non-verbal presentation or promotion of goods or services by an identified sponsor.
So definition, very important. Second, which were the important features, Divyata, quickly?
It is impersonal.
Just give one word, could be enough. Impersonal.
Impersonal, paid form, issued by an identified sponsor. Mass communication, advertising is different from publicity.
Excellent. Then Avni, the differences between advertising and publicity?
Ma'am, sponsor, it can be done by an identified sponsor, and in it the sponsor may not be identified.
Okay. Give two, three more. Don't have to read the whole table, but 2, 3 more.
One payment, it is paid by the sponsor. It is not directly paid by the sponsor. Nature, it is impersonal. It may be both personal and impersonal.
This was the second lesson I think we had done on advertising and publicity. Then we did about the objectives of advertising. We covered that. Okay. Krishna, could you read the objectives for me?
Yes, ma'am. To introduce a new product by creating awareness and interest for it among the prospective
Customers. Okay.
To enter a new market or attract a new group of customers, to fight competition in the market by reminding users to buy the product, to create brand preference and brand loyalty, to support personal selling by marketing by making customers aware of the product, to enhance the goodwill of the firm by promising better quality of fair prices, to improve dealer relations because dealers prefer to sell products which are effectively advertised, to reach people inaccessible to salesmen, to warn the public against imitations or spurious products.
Excellent. Then we did about the merits and demerits. Muskan, what were the important merits? Muskan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you're in your own sleeping land. You don't know I'm revising the lesson. Come on, quickly. Which were the important merits of advertising? Just see the screen.
The merits of advertising.
Yes. Just the pointers I want. Give me at least 5 of them should be enough. Come on.
Meeting competition. Steady demand. Education of customers. Lower prices.
Okay.
Generation. Sustains the press.
Okay. She's given me some merits of producers, some of customers, some of society. Be careful, children. This also comes as a 5 marker. ICSE 2020 had merits of advertising to producers and traders. So you may get to customers or to society. You don't know. Okay.
5 marks.
5 marks. But doesn't mean you just write the point. You have to explain the points. Please understand that. Demerits. Meet, can you read out the demerits for me? Why advertising is a social waste?
Higher price, wasteful consumption, misleads the consumer, undermines social values, creates monopoly, wastage of national resources.
Excellent. Then advertising agency, meaning and functions. Okay, what is an advertising agency, Divyata?
Advertising agency. Wait. Advertising agency is a specialized organization which provides all advertising related services for some fee or commission.
Which are the important steps? This we had done last day. Avni, which were the important functions of advertising agency?
Coordination, accounting.
No. Which is the first step? Tell in series. You should know these. Planning, yes. Second.
Creation and execution. Coordination, accounting, media planning, research, internal control.
Oh, very good. Then we did about the social advertising media. Who's going to tell this one? What is social advertising media? Who's going to tell? Okay, Krishna, come on.
Social advertising either refers to advertising about socially relevant issues or use social relationship networks to promote a product or service and reach out to its target audience.
Okay.
Some examples of social media are Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Google, Hangouts, Skype, LinkedIn, Instagram, etc.
Radios.
Okay, great. Then meaning of sales promotion. Who's going to tell me the definition? One of you read it out for me. Zara? Okay, what is the meaning of sales promotion? Come on, quickly. Muskan, can you read it out?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
According to American Marketing Association, sales promotion refers to those activities other than personal selling, advertising, and publicity that stimulate consumer purchasing and dealer effectiveness, such as display shows and exhibitions, demonstrations, and various other non-recurrent selling efforts not in ordinary routine.
What you understand by non-recurrent? I had explained this.
It
What
does
do you
not happen again and again. It's
Correct.
never the same.
As you saw, so many different techniques are being used in sales promotion. The same technique is not used again and again. Okay. Then types of sales promotion, which were the two important types we learned? Apni, which were the two important types we learned?
Customer and dealer.
Customer sales promotion and dealer sales promotion. Objectives were very easy. Meet, can you read out the objectives of sales promotion for me? Meet, is he there or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, then quickly.
To introduce new products. Hello.
Yes, I can hear you. Then?
To attract new customers. To increase sales.
Yes.
To encourage dealers to carry large stock. To improve the public image of the firm. To counter sales promotion campaigns of the competitors.
Very good. Okay. Then
Ma'am?
differences. Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, can you give the project topics to us so we can
The first
start
project
making-
topic will be advertising. I will be sharing it with you. Give me a little time. In this weekend, I will be making the whole layout and sending it to you by coming week. But
Okay.
remember, the first chapter will be advertising.
I will do on it.
Okay. Okay. Yes. Next, who's going to read out the differences quickly? We have 8 minutes. I have to also allot the questions fast.
Ma'am, all the ICSE question, we will do that.
Yes. And one worksheet also I will be sending. I'm going
Okay.
to upload a worksheet. Who's going to read out? Quickly give me at least 2 differences fast between sales promotion and advertising. Someone volunteer and do. Yes, Abni, fast. Come on, one of you.
Meaning marketing activities which stimulate consumer buying and dealers effectiveness, any paid form of impersonal presentation and promotion of a product, service, or an idea by an identified sponsor.
Very good.
Time horizon.
Okay.
Short-term
Oh,
perspective
okay.
in sales promotion and advertising has long-term perspective.
Okay. See, these tables, why I'm constantly revising with you, because these are very important. Don't leave them out. Please study them well. And don't just write the difference without the basis of distinction. Be very careful to write them down. Okay. Role, the 6 pointers which we discussed today. Muskan, can you read them out for me? The 6 pointers.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Provides information, stimulates demand, creates product identity, meets competition, satisfies customers, and permits control.
Very, very good. Then what did we learn about the different types of sales promotion? Consumer sales promotion and dealer sales promotion. Which are they? Consumer sales promotions are which ones? Types. Can anyone read out, please? Come on, quickly. Can you hear me or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Then no one is reading it out.
Coupons, demonstrations, promotional pricing, free trials, loyalty programs, sampling.
Very good. And dealer ones? Divyata, read them out.
Dealers.
Which ones are they? Which are the dealer sales promotion programs?
In these promotion sales,
There are 6 pointers. See the 5 pointers are there. I want the pointers.
special display and shows, customer contest, dealer premium, and then advertising material,
And
store demonstrations.
perfect. Muskan, come
Yes,
on. 3 techniques of sales promotion. Any 3 you can tell me?
3 techniques of sales promotion.
So long today what I was discussing and teaching.
Distribution of free samples, coupons, premiums or bonus offers,
Okay.
trading stamps, price
Not together.
contests,
Not
free
together.
offers,
Trending stamps,
Okay. Then premiums.
price contents,
Which are the 4 important types of premiums we learned? 4 important types of premium.
Premium, price of premium, money refund premium, and extra quantity premium.
Excellent. Then we learnt about trading
Stamp,
Okay, that is also done. Very good.
price contest,
Price contests.
free offer, fairs and exhibitions, merchandising aids,
And last one,
clearance sale, and exchange offer.
clear? So this is how we come to the end of the topic. Okay.